Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to explore the warranty management system for Magento 2. It allows the store admin to enable product warranties and increases customer loyalty and trust towards store products.
Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video.
Let's get started. First, go to the admin panel and log in. I have already logged in. Then go to Stores, then click on Configurations. Now, the product warranty option is visible. Click on it, then go to General Settings. Enable the product warranty module. The admin can enable or disable this module by selecting Yes or No. I am selecting Yes to enable the module. Then click Save Config to save these configurations. Next, go to Product Warranty, then click on Manage Warranties. The admin can create multiple warranties for products by selecting Add New. In the Warranty Information section, you can enable or disable the warranty by toggling the switch. I am enabling it. Then, enter the title for this warranty. In the description field, provide some details about the warranty. For the time unit, the admin can select from 3 options: years, months, or days. I am selecting years. In the duration field, enter a numerical value. For warranty priority, the smallest number has the highest priority. So, I am setting the priority to 1. In the Apply Warranty section, you can choose to apply the warranty product-wise or category-wise. I am selecting product-wise. For warranty site, you can choose either off-site or on-site. I am selecting on-site warranty. In the Warranty Facility section, there are 3 options: repair or replacement, refund and replacement. I am selecting repair or replacement. Now we need to assign a product to this warranty. Go to Assign Product, then select one or more products to assign the warranty. After selecting, click Save. Now the warranty has been successfully created. To see this warranty on the product page, go to the product. Now on the fronted, in the product page, the warranty description is now visible. It shows the warranty duration 12 months. A description that mentions it covers defects in materials, the accepted warranty type, repair or replacement, and covers on-site warranty. In the admin panel, under Product Warranty and Order Warranty, we can view the order warranty. When we place an order for a product, the order warranty is visible here. Then we go to Views. Now, the warranty information is visible, such as a 12-month duration on the order page. So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.